Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, nothing exciting happening there at the moment. So the support regions are still relevant. We haven't had a sustained break below the upper support area, even though the price did dip down to 163, but you can clearly see the price didn't sustain below it. So because we haven't had invalidation of the yellow microstructure, this is technically still valid. But the white count obviously has increased in probability. Are they much different from each other? No, actually not. They are both suggesting that this here is a wave 4 and that once this correction is completed, we could see a wave 5 to the upside. Now, in the yellow count, the wave 4 is completed. In the white count, it's still unfolding. We're going to take a look at that in a minute. Let's first zoom out to the 4-hour chart in terms of what's the larger degree pattern, what's the larger degree structure. The idea is that from this fourth wave low, from the 23rd of January, we had a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 down, wave 3 up, wave 4 down. Okay, maybe completed, maybe it's still unfolding. Then wave 5 to the upside. So 5 waves up. That's sort of what we'd like to see. One more high. Okay, and then possible upside targets, $225, $226, and $237 are the next FIB levels to watch there on this chart. Above that, we have 268 and 299. Then we are, I think, already in all-time high territory. But I'm not sure if we are going to get all the way up to new all-time highs in this fifth wave to the upside, but it's possible. So it means we focus on higher. That also begs the question, okay, what is the relevant support area? If we assume one more high, there must be a level where we stop looking for one more high. Yep. And that level is, for me, the $131 level, already below 143, which is the 50% retracement level of the third wave rally, which topped here around the 18th of March. Well, already below the 50% retracement level, I will probably stop looking or start to stop looking for that fifth wave to the upside. But, you know, anything above that, I call it noise. The bulls need to turn up before we get a sustained break below the 50% retracement level at $143. Now, I still want to have this buffer zone on the chart, which is the $131 level, very important, because sometimes wave 4s are deep. It happens. Can't really predict it, and it is rare. Typically, the wave 4 would hold the 50% fib level, and we typically would not expect a break below that 50% fib level in a wave 4, not even in a diagonal pattern. But in a diagonal pattern, we have to give it a little bit more space and have to be a little bit more flexible in a wave 4. And yeah, so we have this upper support area, which is relevant for the yellow count. So the yellow microstructure suggests the wave 4 already bottomed here on the 20th of March. This is an A wave up, this is a B wave down, and we could get a C wave to the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this obviously depends on the bull's ability to hold the $163 low. This is the low point that formed on Wednesday. So if we break below the Wednesday low, then it will likely take us down into the lower support region, which starts at 158. And then we've got 143 next as support. And in this scenario, we just have a slightly different structure. In this scenario, the fourth wave is still unfolding. So it just means maybe one more marginally lower low, and then we should still move up from there. And I mean, all of this could also turn into something like a triangle. I hope not. That would be very much super boring. But it's possible that we are dealing here with a triangle, and that would be wave A down, wave B up, wave C down maybe, then a D wave up and an E wave. Then we can talk about the idea that maybe a triangle is forming here, but now it's a bit too early for that. There are plenty of other structures that seem more probable, given how rare Elliott wave triangles really are. But you can actually add trend lines here. And I mean, if we see a little bit more price action that looks triangle-like, I will, of course, let you know. But yeah, this sort of now has nice proportions for a triangle. It's just not very clear yet. Yeah, and I mean, looking at the microstructure, not very helpful. So I think we need to be concerned with the lower support area. I mean, the bulls need to turn up before we break below 131. It's basically as simple as that. and a break below 131 will make me assume that the larger degree fifth wave of an even larger degree third wave topped. So yeah, not much more to add, not much excitement unfortunately, so hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and if you really like the content, and please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching, bye bye.